Hey folks, I'm Mike. Have you ever had beautiful, crispy, wonderful GoPro footage, and as soon as you uploaded it to YouTube, it looked like absolute crap? I've got the fix for you today. All of us have probably experienced this. You go out, you fly, you have some amazing footage, and you decide you're going to cut a flight edit. And when you cut the flight edit, however you might do that, you end up with really crispy, beautiful, good GoPro footage. Magnifique, right? Like you shoot through the gaps and you can see all the edges around the gaps. You do amazing stunts and there's almost no motion blur. There's no pixelation whatsoever. It is crispy, buttery goodness. And then you upload to YouTube. And when you upload to YouTube, it comes out is a pixelated, mushy mess. Why is that? Why is that happening? Well, here's the reason. It turns out that most of us are filming in 1080-60, and that's perfectly fine. Most people, honestly, don't have a device that can do 4K footage. So 1080 is an acceptable limit. But it turns out that when you upload to YouTube, if you're uploading in 1080 or less, it uses a standard MP4 codec. And what that does is it introduces a lot of artifacting and pixelation. And so your beautiful, crispy, wonderful footage comes out looking like a blobby mess. There's a way to get around that. Even if you film in 1080, if you upscale your video to 1440 or 4K, then you will get a different codec on rendering, which is the V9 codec. Now that V9 codec is beautiful. It is a specifically proprietary Google codec, and it looks awesome. The footage comes out looking sharp and clear with the colors correct and not muted and run together. Your footage will just look better in general, and especially when there's motion, things are gonna look a lot better. If you want really, really crispy, awesome, sharp images on YouTube, then you need to upload in 1440 or 4K. And now you don't have to shoot natively in that resolution, you can just upscale it. But what happens is it ends up applying the V9 codec, and that makes your footage better. Hat tip to Anthony Bennett for letting me know about this to begin with, and I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. By the way, like, subscribe, and comment. I like to leave little tips like this periodically. And I would even be appreciative if you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post. I appreciate it. Thank you. Y'all have a great day. Bye.